Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. Say, in this platform, there is every reason why you need to stay tuned, why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because here we bring all the updates. See, a lot has been going on, and people don't really know that everything that affects the eyes automatically will affect the whole body when the time comes. This is exactly the rate at which the adoption of Nnamdi Kanu is now leading to. Do you know that a lot of people are now coming out to cry, to ask, to join their voice for the release of Nnamdi Kanu? It's going to shock you that the barrister Maxwell Okpara also sent another message with what you are going to hear from this our daddy here. Omo, enough is enough. It is high time the president of Nigeria look into the issue by releasing Nnamdi Kanu for peace to be restored to the southeastern part of Nigeria, for peace to be restored to Nigeria, because a lot of people have seen it that the release of Nnamdi Kanu is going to bring a lot of change, but we don't know why the federal government don't want to release Nnamdi Kanu. And also, since September 24th, getting to 1 month now, nobody have set eyes on Nnamdi Kanu. I don't really want to talk too much because everything is well detailed at here. Share the video and I'll be right back.
My people, come closer. This is an update. I'm just from DSSS now. Today being Monday, 23rd day of October 2024. I went to see Nnamdi Kanu again with my colleagues. Remember that I updated you the other day, that was last week, that we went to see him. So they said that we are in the receptionist, at the reception. So we waited there from 1 p.m. till 5 p.m. They now asked us that we should go, that we cannot see him. We asked them why. They said that the order is from above, that we can check another day. So, and we normally see him. The order, of course, is that we should be seeing Nnamdi Kanu 3 times every week. That is Monday, Wednesday, and what do you call it, and Friday. But today, being Monday, 23rd, being Wednesday, 23rd day of October, we went to see him. The last one went there. The last one went there. They allowed us inside at the receptionist and at the reception and asked us to park outside. But today, they outrightly rejected us from coming inside. They mounted their people at the gate, and the instruction is that none of Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer should be allowed to come inside. So not even to see him. So the reason for that, I don't know. I don't know whether Nnamdi Kanu is still alive. I don't know whether he's still with them. I don't know where they have taken him to. Tomorrow, being 24th day of September, will make it complete 1 month. Because I saw him last. Tomorrow, being 24th day of October, will make it 1 month. Because I saw him last on September 24th. Since that, when he came to court last, since that time up to now, no communication whatsoever. This is the document I want to come and show him in respect of preparing his documents. The things that we feel that we can file in court. But now they did not allow us access. Nnamdi Kanu is the only person now, as we speak now, that is facing a criminal trial without a lawyer. No date for the court in the Federal High Court, no access to his lawyer. So when I left to DSSS, I decided to come and see Attorney General. This is Minister of Justice. I'm making this video from the Minister of Justice, but I was unable to see the Minister for Justice because I don't see why we should have this building here that called the Minister of Justice. If we should have this building here and we have Minister for Justice, and this injustice is happening in the country, it means that we're in Banana Republic. So, and the actions that we should not be coming. That's what the DSSS guy said, that we should not be coming, that we are not going to see Nnamdi Kanu again. I heard them say that's what the DSSS, I said for what? So that is the position for now. I will continue to update you. We have commenced content proceedings against the new director of DSSS. So let's see how it will go. Thank you. We'll continue to update you.
Good morning, fellow Nigerians. Earlier 2 weeks ago, we all witnessed the movement of the Oduduwa Republic represented by stakeholders, their senior elders, who went to number 10 Downing Street to lodge a letter of appeal for the separation of Oduduwa Republic. It was greeted with sentiment, it was greeted with accolades. And as we speak, there has not been any potent, robust reaction from the Nigerian state. Everybody pretended nothing like that happened and let it slide. I wish to recall that for the past 2 to 3 years now, our son, Nnamdi Kanu, has been in detention, despite all relevant court rulings discharging and acquitting him. And this has its adverse effect on the entire southeast of Nigeria, where we are witnessing today sporadic conflicts, sporadic deaths, and total breakdown of security in the southeast. It is pertinent that we draw our minds back to where this whole thing started from. When these young men were starting their agitation, it was not violent. They were peacefully flying their flags and marching in formed order. And then, typical of our Nigerian setting, where we think that brutal force is always the solution to everything. We saw that in the NSAS. We've seen that with the hunger demonstration. Brutal force was released on them. A lot of young men murdered in cold blood and displayed in police vans and military vans. And people looked on, the young men looked on as their brothers and sisters were killed. Some still in detention as we speak, consistently raped and dehumanized. We had the Python dance 1, we had the 2, we had the crocodile smile, and every other name that has been given to the total subjugation and oppression of people in the Nigerian entity. I add my voice today as I raise my voice and appeal to the President of Nigeria, Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Your Excellency. I appeal to you today as a father, as a brother, as a servant of the Igbo community, for the unconditional release of our son, Nnamdi Kanu. We are made aware that his medical condition is deteriorating every day. We are made aware that the court has discharged and acquitted him. We are made aware that the judge has even reclused herself from the judgment and the case. We want the Southeast to return back to peace. And we know significantly that the release of Nnamdi Kanu will pave way for that peace and total restoration of order. We are being forced daily with the Monday sit at home, which is costing the Southeast and the Nigerian government large sums of money. The total breakdown of security in the East is of concern to us. Yes, people are going about their normal daily service businesses, but we know that there's always fear around because nobody knows what will happen next. We have seen the more than 10,000 checkpoints littered all over Igbo land, that you can barely drive 5 minutes without somebody harassing you, without somebody searching you, without somebody extorting you. The fundamental question that we need to ask, if these security networks, these security blockages, these security flashpoints that are everywhere in Igbo land, harassing the people and intimidating them, if these are working, why are we then seeing the activities of the unknown gunmen? Why are they rampaging the entire East, that people are now scared to even go home to bury their loved ones, to even have marriages? That is the bedrock of our society. Even our traditional and culture is being affected. Our businesses are being affected. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I appeal to you as a father. Release our son, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that we can go back to the east and begin our total healing. We've seen what the Oduduwa Republic is doing. We have nothing against them. People have the right to their freedom of expression and freedom of association. But the robustness with which the Southeast is being dealt with, we do not see that across the other specks of Nigeria. We ask humbly, again, for the release of our son so that we can go back, count our losses, heal our land, protect our men and women who go to the farm. As we speak now, most of them do not have access to their farms because nobody knows when the unknown gunmen will call. Sir, Your Excellency, we appeal to you, release our son, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to his family. We are heading again towards another Christmas. His wife, his children will celebrate without a father. His parents are dead already. The cost upon that young man has been immense. It's been immeasurable. And the Nigerian state can show the hand of friendship by releasing our son, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to his family. I thank you for listening to me. And I thank you for considering the security in the Southeast as a pertinent issue within the Nigerian geopolitical setting. We ask for the release of our son so that our land can heal, so that our people can be saved, so that we can begin genuine dialogue in the Southeast. There cannot be any genuine dialogue, any genuine movement towards peace with the continued incarceration of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I appeal to you, let the young man go. Thank you, sir.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Please, I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. Do well, make sure you share this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Support this platform by joining our membership also. Thank you so much, and see you when I see you. For now, bye.